This is Vijay reaching TVK headquarter in Chennai. Sengotian to be inducted into the party TVK. It's a big boost to Vijay. Remember, ahead of the polls in 2026, Sengotian was in fact expelled by the AIADMK. This is the latest development that we're bringing to you, and Pramod Madhav is consistently bringing us latest updates from right outside the TVK headquarters in Chennai. But yes, this is a big development taking place within the party. Remember, it is Sengotian, who is a veteran politician from Tamil Nadu. He enjoys a voter base, a large voter base in the district of Erode, especially from his own seat, Gobichettipalayam. And at this given point, with this addition to the party of TVK, it adds a seasoned politician into the TVK at this point as we speak. In fact, let's quickly take a look at this ground report that Pramod brings us from Chennai at this point.
We are actually seeing all the netas coming over here. In fact, the car that you see, the blue car with the white top, that is actually Vijay, who's inside that car. And along with that, you can also see other netas have also started to come over here. That was the car Vijay normally walks into. And then, along with them, various other leaders are also on the way. Bussi Anand, the senior leader of Tamaraga Vetri Kazhagam, is already inside. Now, Vijay has also arrived. Then we will have Adav Arjun also, along with that, Arun Raj and more leaders are expected to come over here. The supporters of Sengotian have already arrived at this spot, and also along with that, Sengotian is the most important person for them, who will also arrive here. And we've been told that he is joining Tamaraga Vetri Kazhagam. The important part is that these are very quick, short kind of developments that occurred over here. A span of 3 to 4 days is what was required for Sengotian to go ahead and decide to, after being expelled from AIADMK, to join Tamaraga Vetri Kazhagam. And even doing so before, he went ahead yesterday. He quit his post as MLA from Gobichettipalayam. Then he handed over the resignation letter to the speaker, post which even then he did not give any kind of explanation about this. He only said that he is in deep anguish after working for AIADMK for nearly 50 years and then being expelled from even the basic carer's position, and that's why he said that he's under extreme kind of pain and such. And then what happened is that yesterday he met with Vijay at his Pattanambakam residence, a quiet meeting, post which we've been told that he is joining Tamaraga Vetri Kazhagam, and that is why all netas, including Vijay, have arrived at this headquarters. With Daniel, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
With that, Pramod joins us live on the broadcast. Pramod, the discussions continue at this given point with this very development taking place in Chennai. But, more importantly, if we look at the TVK now, with a seasoned politician like Sengotian joining the party, it gives a major boost, especially if we speak of it politically, ideologically. It gives them a major boost ahead of the elections.
It surely is, Shreya, because in fact, you could see over there now, actions have started at this particular area. This is the headquarters of Tamaraga Vetri Kazhagam, and the important aspect is that, just like you mentioned, when it came to Tamaraga Vetri Kazhagam, Vijay was the face and Vijay was everything. So the biggest question that was put forward against them is that they do not have experience when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics, and this is where it looks like they have hit the jackpot with Sengotian, who apparently has more than 50 years of experience. He's the one who's been the lieutenant of MGR, Jayalalitha, and imagine now Vijay being so lucky to get such a person. And also Sengotian very clearly mentioning that after working so long for AIADMK, being removed from the basic party is completely shattered, and that's why he has decided to go ahead and take this move. This is where it's a very, very important development, because this person is of actual equality, you can actually equate him along with EPS and other senior leaders when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics, and the only senior from DMK that is as equal to him when it comes to being on the ground for so long is Durai Murugan. So he's almost like a very, very senior person when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics, who knows Tamil Nadu in and out, and now Vijay seems to be getting this particular person as a trump card over here, and that is why this is considered as a very important development when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics ahead of the 2026 election, Shreya.
Absolutely, Pramod. Thank you for bringing us those developments, and we are constantly keeping track of how things are going ahead at the TVK headquarters in Chennai, as Sengotian is to join hands with TVK, with the TVK chief, that is actor turned politician Vijay. We will keep bringing you all the updates from there.